Hi everyone, this is the quick correction for my last sewing tutorial. I realized I didn't show how I joined the back and the front together for shape knee, so here it is. So for the back bodice, I placed it on each other, the two pieces for the right and the left side together, and on that part that I notched, I stitched down from the tip there all the way to the full length. And after working on the design, attaching it to the dress, I placed this back bodice now that I joined together, right side facing right side. That is the right side of the back bodice facing the right side of the front bodice. So I placed it this way and I make sure that I align it, the armhole, the sides, everything is placed on each other properly. Then I went ahead to join the shoulder by 0.5 inch. Remember we added 0.5 inch for joining. I also go ahead and shape down by 1.5 inch from the armhole. Now when I get to the waist point, I'll stitch down by 1 inch all the way to the hem. And after joining, this is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to pipe the neckline with bias tape, attach my zipper, and close up the armhole. And if you see this video before the main tutorial, I'll drop the link for you in the description box to watch. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.